What's going on, everybody? For those of you that didn't know, I just released a video about my price changes. If you want to pause the video, here it is. But I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible. Again, I just created a video with my price changes that were approved by the state of Texas. And also, the prices are actually a lot cheaper than what I previously mentioned. But I really just wanted to make this video to tell you all that I appreciate all the love and the support for the channel. I'll leave a couple screenshots up here of some of the comments on my channel. We're going to get back to posting results. I'm going to be sharing some of my letters that I use for credit repair, absolutely free. And eventually I will be selling my letters as well in a big package. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.